You will need a power drill for this installation process. All other required tools have been provided with your kit. With any of these parts, over-tightening can potentially damage the parts or the product. It's recommended to hand-tighten all parts, then give them a quarter turn with the supplied wrenches. Your conversion kit will include your drill bit, a new drain spout with longer threads, a drain spout plug if you don't have your chiller yet to prevent leaks, the new bulkhead, metal with reverse threads, your pre-filter, a roll of thread tape, a set of wrenches, a card with a QR code referencing the instructions, a template sticker to assist with lining up your top bulkhead. Choose the side for the new top bulkhead based on your preference, power access, and aesthetics. Place the provided sticker template on the selected side's top rectangle and drill a hole using a 1 to 1/2 inch hole bit at low speed with mild pressure. Smooth any rough edges around the drilled hole for a clean finish. Prepare the bulkhead by removing the nut and ensuring the rubber washer's smooth side faces the bulkhead, with the ribbed side against the ice barrel. Insert the bulkhead through the hole from inside the barrel and secure it by tightening the nut from the outside until finger tight, then use the provided tool to tighten further. Attach the chiller fitting to the bulkhead exterior, using thread tape for a secure seal. Unscrew and remove the existing drain spout. Install the new drain spout from the kit by sliding it into the hole, securing it with the washer and nut from the inside, and tightening it with the provided tool. Attach the pre-filter to the inside of the new drain spout, ensuring it's hand-tight for ease of future cleaning.